Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the 2K dashcam for car. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Tiesfong M10 Max 2K dashcam is designed to deliver high-quality, multi-channel recording with advanced features for enhanced security. It's an upgrade from its predecessor, the M10, and boasts impressive capabilities, including 4-channel recording, superior night vision, and smart parking monitoring. Here's a breakdown of its key features, pros, and cons to help you make an informed decision. Key features. Unique 4-channel recording. The Tiesfong M10 Max supports 4-channel simultaneous recording, providing a comprehensive 360-degree view around your vehicle. The resolution is impressive, with the front camera capturing at 2K, 1440p, and the other three at 1080p. This ensures that all angles of your car are covered for maximum security. Superior night vision. Equipped with a highly sensitive night vision sensor, the dashcam balances exposure automatically in low light conditions. Whether you're driving or parked at night, it captures clear video and vivid details, ensuring crucial footage is never missed. Rotatable lenses in 140 wide angle. Each of the 4 channels comes with a 140 wide angle lens, ensuring more coverage in every frame. The lenses are also rotatable, allowing for customizable viewing angles to suit your specific recording needs. For radar sensing parking monitoring, the 24-hour radar sensing parking mode provides protection without draining the vehicle's battery. It detects motion around the car and only records when necessary, making it efficient for long-term parking monitoring. Low voltage protection. The built-in low voltage protection ensures that your car battery won't be drained when using the dashcam and parking mode. It automatically powers off when the voltage drops below a certain threshold. Built-in Wi-Fi and TSAM app. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect your dashcam to your smartphone through the TSAM app, allowing you to view and manage recordings instantly. Videos can be downloaded directly to your device and shared easily. Supercapacitor power supply. Unlike traditional dash cams that rely on lithium batteries, the Tiesfong M10 Max uses a supercapacitor. This provides better temperature resistance, making it more durable and reliable in extreme weather conditions. Pros. Comprehensive security. With 4-channel simultaneous recording, you get a 360-degree view of your surroundings, making it ideal for full coverage surveillance. Impressive video quality. The 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the other channels ensure high-definition footage, making it easier to capture details in any situation. Enhanced night vision. The automatic exposure compensation ensures clear recording even in low light or nighttime conditions. Rotatable lenses. Customizable recording angles allow you to adapt to different driving environments and capture more relevant footage. Energy-efficient parking mode. The radar sensing feature saves battery life by recording only when motion is detected, making it more efficient for long-term use. Low voltage protection safeguards your vehicle's battery from being drained when parked for extended periods. Smartphone integration. Easy access to recordings and live feed through the TSAM app enhances convenience and sharing capabilities. Durability. The supercapacitor increases the dashcam's lifespan and ensures it operates in extreme temperatures without issues. Cons. Potential installation complexity. Installing and wiring the 4-channel system may be more complicated for users unfamiliar with dashcam setups, especially if opting for the hardwire kit. Limited battery backup. Since it uses a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, it requires external power to function and cannot run independently for long periods. App usability. Some users might experience occasional connectivity issues with the TSAM app, which could affect real-time access to recordings. Final thoughts. The Tiesfong M10 Max 2K dashcam is a top-tier option for drivers looking for comprehensive security coverage. Its 4-channel recording, superior night vision, and energy-efficient parking mode make it ideal for those seeking all-around protection. While the setup might be a bit challenging for beginners, the payoff in terms of video quality, durability, and overall functionality makes it worth considering for serious users.